With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So students, in this given question, we are asked to draw the molecular structure of XeF2, XeF4 and XeO2F2 indicating the location of lone pairs of electrons. So basically the main aim to find the lone pair. So first of all, we are learning a very good method to how to classify the structure of the molecules. So first of all, this is the molecule given us and we need to calculate total number of valence electron present in that molecules. So xenon is having 8 valence electron and fluorine is having total of 7 valence electron, and there are 2 molecules. That's why I multiplied by 2. So total 14 plus 8 going to give you 22. Now, what is the method? To obtain the bond pairs, you need to divide the total number of valence electron by 8. So valence electron divided by 8. And whatever will be the remainder from this side, you need to divide that remainder by 2 to obtain correspondingly lone pairs. So if you are knowing the lone pairs and bonds pair respectively in the molecule, then easily you can predict the geometry. Or other one will be the traditional approach that make the hybridization and overlap the orbitals. So you are knowing the hybridization, then you can predict the shape. So that is very lengthy process and it's not going to work in the competitive exams. So this is the shorter one. So we are going with that. This is valence electron. We are calculating 22. So 22 divided by 8, it's going to give 8 to the 16. So this is 16 this side and remainder left from this is 6. So that 6 must be divided by 2. So it's going to be 3. So what is this? It is 2 plus 3 system. Basically 2 bonds pair and 3 lone pairs. So we know that if a steric number is going to be 5, the shape is of the geometry is basically TVP. Over here, this is xenon will be occupying, fluorine will be taking this electronegative bonds, and lone pair will be occupying the position in the equatorial sides. This is axial, this is equatorial. So this is geometry will be TVP, trigonal bipyramidal, but our shape is going to be linear in nature. Similarly, we want to count the number of lone pairs. So lone pairs in this structure is 3. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, you are going to describe the second structure also. Second structure we are taking over here is XeF4. Apply the same method over here also. Calculate total valence electron. What is the total valence electron? Xenon is 8, then 4 multiplied by 7. So this is 28 plus 8. So total will be 36 over here. So 36 you need to divide by 8 to corresponding obtain the bond pair. So this is 8 4s are 32, and the remainder from this side is going to be 2. So that you need to divide that remainder. So that remainder will be divided by 2. So 8 4s are 32, remainder is 4, 4 divided by 2. So this method we are following. Just keep in mind these 2 points so that you can understand. 4 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. So that can be adjusted in the geometry of what? This is our xenon, and 4 bonds will be of fluorine, and up and down position will be occupied by the lone pairs. So this is how we are making this geometry, and it's going to be a square planar shape, and lone pair are balancing each other, square planar, and geometry is going to be octahedral because total we are considering lone pair also in geometry. So total number of lone pairs present in this structure is how many? 1 and 2. So 2 lone pairs. So we are interested in lone pairs. Lastly, draw the structure for the third molecule, which is given as XeO2F2. So basically this is contribution 8, this is contributing 6 multiplied by 2, this is contributing 7 multiplied by 2. So total if you do, this comes out to be how much? 34. So this is 34. To obtain bond pairs, divide this 34 by 8, and this is 8 4s are 32, and lone pair, that is remainder obtained is 2. So that divided by 2. So it's going to be 1. So this is 4 plus 1 system, that is steric number 5 system. So what is this? Basically it is containing 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, and will be representing a trigonal bipyramidal geometry. So electronegative elements occupying the axial positions and equatorial position will be occupied by lone pairs and other elements. So this is oxygen, oxygen, and 1 lone pair. So what is this molecule shape? This is a seesaw geometry, and correspondingly trigonal bipyramidal is the geometry, and this seesaw is the shape. So this is how we have classified them. Here lone pairs are only 1. So what is the answer? Lone pairs in this respective molecules are going to be numbered as 3, 2 and 1. So this was the solution. It is having 3, it is having 2 lone pairs, it is having 1, and we have also seen the respective structure and diagrams.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.